Broccoli is one of our favorite vegetables, but it's always the same. So I found this really great recipe. It's called broccoli with garlic butter and cashews. So I started with about 3 tablespoons of a butter. We don't use butter, we use a substitute. And then a tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of a white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of a soy sauce, and 2 chopped up pieces of garlic, and we're gonna let that boil. All right, so it just got done boiling. I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of chopped cashews into the mix. Now this called for 1.5 pounds of broccoli. I don't have near that much. We don't eat that much with the 2 of us. But here's the sauce that goes on top of the broccoli. And what we found is it's just delicious. So if you're looking for something different for broccoli, give this a try. Broccoli with garlic butter and cashews. Thanks for listening.